finger to this kid.
I don't know, I'm recording them right now though.
Watch, he's gonna get out of the stream. Watch out.
Like, see, he tries to pull his pants down and then... I can't tell if he's wanting to take a dump or if he's wanting to pee.
Oh, he's wanting to take a dump. He did it.
I can't keep the camera still.
Oh my gosh. Can you see me?
I did.
He's poopy.
Oh my god.
Look at the mom.
Huh?
Never mind. Oh my god.
Oh, how embarrassing.